I'm going to show you how I do a smooth blowout on my hair. As you can see, I have lots of curly and wavy texture to my hair, and if I don't use the right tools and techniques, my hair will be super frizzy. I start by getting my hair about 80% dry with the blow dryer, and then I section off the top half so I can easily work on the bottom half first. I push my round brush up under each section to create lift and volume, and I keep the tip of the blow dryer close to the brush at an angle as I pull and turn my brush down the length of my hair. I repeat each section as many times as I need to get it completely dry and smooth. Next, I take down another section, leaving only the mohawk area of my head for last. I repeat the same steps as I go around my head. The mohawk section is usually where my hair is the most fragile, so I like to get it completely dry by dropping my head forward and lightly brushing and very lightly pulling with the round brush while blow drying. Last, I flip my hair back and I begin round brushing in small sections. I place the round brush under the section at the scalp to get the most volume, and then I work down the length of the hair with the round brush and the blow dryer.